Hey guys, it's Ryan here with U-Haul. We're going to go ahead and show you how to install a hitch on your Buick Rendezvous. It can take you to some really fun places such as camping, bike riding, or even towing a U-Haul trailer almost anywhere in Northern America. Let's go ahead and show you how to break this hitch down. Alright guys, we're going to point out our mounting location. We're up here on the driver's side. There's going to be 3 attachment points on each side. Driver and passenger are identical. We're going to use the hitch as a template, and we're going to drill one in the back body flange here, and then there's 2 up underneath on the frame rail. You're going to take your provided carriage bolt and spacer block and pull wire. You're going to fish wire back through the front attachment point, thread the bolt on, and get your spacer block up under the frame rail. Pull it back down through, and make sure your spacer block is kind of turned a little bit so they don't overlap. Now we're going to take another carriage bolt and spacer block, and we're going to reverse fish wire it down through the access hole again. We're going to still make sure we don't overlap those spacer blocks. And then we're going to repeat everything, same on the passenger side. Alright, I'm here with the hitch up on a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one, it's a good idea to get an extra set of hands. I'm going to go ahead and point out the mounting locations that are identical on each side. There's going to be 2 here. These are going to be the bolts that we just fish wired up. And then this one right here is where we're going to drill into the rear body flange. Alright, let's go ahead and get this hitch into place. You can go ahead and lower the exhaust for ease of installation, but for now we haven't. Also make sure when you go ahead and put the hitch in place, you take care not to push the bolts back up into the frame rail. Alright, back up over here on the driver's side. There's a wiring harness right here. We want to make sure not to pinch up in between the hitch and the frame rail. Make sure those bolts come straight back through, and then attach the provided flange nuts. Then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the passenger side. Now in order to get this attachment point into place, we need to go ahead and snug up these flange nuts with a 19mm socket and extension. Alright, the goal of making sure we snug these flange nuts up is to go ahead and make sure that this attachment point hits the back of this body flange. I'm going to repeat the process on the driver's side. Alright, for the last mounting location, we're going to use a 7/16 drill bit, and using the hitch as a template, we're going to drill through the rear body flange onto the other side. Then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the passenger side. Alright, so we're back up over here on our driver's side. We're going to use our provided hardware, making sure the washer is on the side of the body flange, and then taking the flange nut and putting it on the back. And we'll repeat the process on the passenger side. Now that we've got all of our hardware into place, we're going to go ahead and torque it down to the manufacturer's specifications using a 19mm socket and a 5-inch extension on these 2 bolts here. And this one here is going to require a 14mm socket and 14mm crescent wrench. And we're going to repeat the same on the passenger side. Alright guys, now that we've got the hitch installed, I'm going to give you some important measurements for your 2-inch receiver to make selecting a bike rack or ball mount a little bit easier. From the ground to the top of the receiver tube opening is going to be 12.5 inches, and from the hitch pin hole to the outside of the bumper is going to be 5 inches. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the install of the hitch on the Buick Rendezvous. Whether you're towing a trailer, going camping or bike riding, be safe and have fun.